What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you how to make $200 in one day on your phone. All right, so this is not something that's going to be easy to do, but I'm going to show you some of my account balances, and with some of the apps that I'm going to be showing you, you can definitely make this happen. I'll throw links in the description if you want to sign up with any of them, and if you have any questions or comments, definitely get back to me. All right, so I'm going to be showing you stuff that I use on a daily and weekly basis, and some stuff that's really helped me get to, being able to make over $200 plus a day. The first one I'm going to be showing everybody is going to be playing Texas Hold'em on Bovada. Now, this is a real money poker app. They do 1.5 million in weekly tournament prizes. They've been around for over 7 years now. They're highly reputable, and if you like to play Texas Hold'em, right now I'm going to be recommending you hop on here, check it out, and if you want to get into some of the real money games, obviously, you can do that. I'm just gonna fold that hand, but we got some crazy players right now. All right, so I'm gonna get on to the next method, but I have done really well on Bovada. Last month alone, I had a really good month, somewhere around like $3,000 I did, but I won a tournament. But anyways, I know poker's not gonna be for everybody, so I don't wanna spend too much time on the poker method, but we're gonna get into the next couple methods here, which are gonna be, with affiliate marketing. Now, if you've, never really heard of affiliate marketing, maybe you've heard of it, you can definitely make a lot of money with it. I'm gonna pull up my Amazon affiliate account, which is basically just one of my accounts to show you how much money that I've been making, and I'm not even really doing anything actively right now. It's all stuff I've already done in the past. So basically, you can see in the last month I've done about $2,700 in affiliate earnings, and this is just me promoting things through Amazon, and I've got multiple affiliate accounts. This is just one account, and it's made almost $100 a day, close to that. So this is just one way you can do that. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I've got two recommendations for everybody, which I'm going to show you. The first one's going to be Affilorama. This is basically like a training app/site that'll teach you how to do affiliate marketing. They've got over 20 free videos that'll teach you, as well as some paid content if you think maybe it's something you want to do. But affiliate marketing, the sky's the limit. You can see that literally just on one of my accounts I've made almost $100 a day, and I think I've got 5 or 6 different affiliate accounts that I'm using right now, and they're doing just as good, if not better, than Amazon. The other one that I recommend checking out is going to be with John Crestani. This guy's made millions of dollars online, and he's one of those guys that I've done a lot of his training, and it's helped me get better at affiliate marketing. He's got some free content on here that you can check out, as well as some paid stuff. But if you think it's something that you might want to pursue, or if you have any questions about affiliate marketing, you can message me below in the comments and I'll get back to you. Now, the next method I'm going to be showing you is going to be with stock trading. You're going to need some upfront money to do this, at least a couple $1,000s saved, but once you get good at stock trading, you can definitely make $100 a day, if not more, once you get good at it. You can do this with small amounts. You'd be surprised. All right, so I'm going to pull up my account right now. It's got about 5,600. This is more than I usually keep in this account. I typically only keep 2,000 to 3,000 in it when I'm doing trading, and basically what I do is I'll buy X amount of shares of one company, and I'll hold it for a week to a month, and try to make a good profit. Now you can see right now I'm down today, but if I pull up a weekly here, you can see that the account's up about $500, and I haven't really done anything, but like I said, this is powerful stuff. You will need a little bit of money saved up, but Robinhood is completely free to use. They don't charge any fees on here, so you can literally deposit $5 on here and start trading stocks. But I recommend you save up at least a couple thousand, and you get started with it, because you can actually earn money pretty passively. You're gonna have to keep an eye on what you're doing, but when you get good at this stuff, it's pretty cool. Now I'll pull up a 3-month. I honestly, for 3 months, this is up almost 24%. That's okay. It's not that great, but obviously it's better than being down. But I've been doing stock trading for a while, so obviously I've gotten pretty good at it. All right, the last method I'm going to throw on here that I'm getting back into this year is going to be Swagbucks. Swagbucks has actually helped people make a decent amount of money. Now, it's not going to make you rich. It's a points to cash app where you can honestly make quite a bit. I've heard of people making, upwards of 1,000 on Swagbucks. I've had some really good months on it, so I can't say you can't make that amount. I've never made that amount, but if you use this app quite a bit, you can definitely make some, pretty good money with it. You can refer it to friends. You can play games on here, watch videos. So it's like one of those points to cash apps that, honestly, you can make a decent amount of money with. So, I do recommend it. It's free to use. You can also watch videos on here, answer questions, take surveys. It's been around for a long time. So, Swagbucks is really reputable in, that regard. So, they always pay out is kind of what I'm saying. And you can cash out on there, via gift cards. They do checks, and I'm not sure if they do bank transfer. They might, but anyway, Swagbucks is awesome and it's free to use. So I'm just going to recap here. To make $200 in one day on your phone, it's not going to be easy, but it is possible, and I've proven over and over again that you can actually make this happen. Now, if you like Texas Hold'em, Bovada is great. Obviously, you can lose money playing poker, but if you're good at it, you're always going to come out ahead. That's just my opinion. Plus, it's fun and entertaining. If you want to make a lot of money too, you can check out affiliate marketing. I showed you one account. Amazon has done $2,700 in the last month, and I haven't even touched that. And then I've got other affiliate accounts I use as well where I make over $200 a day just that way. And then, of course, Robinhood, you need some upfront money to get the ball rolling there, but you can definitely make money with stock trading when you get good at it. And then Swagbucks I threw on there because I think it's another really good app that everybody should check out. Okay, anyways, I'll have links in the description for all these methods. If you have any questions or comments, obviously feel free to message me. I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching it, guys, and we will see y'all later.